guys, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Shy and Javon. So we are currently on our way to the bank to get some money off because we're going to take the truck to get a car wash, guys. It's been a long time coming because we've been needing to get this truck washed for how many weeks?
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks, because we went out of town to East Texas, and the 1st of October, first weekend of October we went, and we kind of got red dirt everywhere. Well, it's not as bad as it was. I'm guessing it seeped into the carpet.
I think so, probably.
Oh, you think they can get that out? But it was worse than that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, most of that is from, what's this from? So it looked like that in the back too, and then, well, I don't know, but it needs to be washed, y'all. Oh, okay, we gotta get out.
Yeah, got it. Normally she would do the inside part, and that's the outside part.
Oh, okay. Well, the inside is really what I'm worried about, honestly. I ain't really tripping about the outside because I know it's gonna get right back dirty. They can do like a wash over or whatever for the outside, but the inside is what I really need.
So you can see the cause what?
Cause all this dust and stuff up there, and then the stuff at the bottom. Yeah, I need that clean.
So you gonna show them the red dirt and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want inside and out?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me one.
Okay.
It will be 30 inside and out. Is that
30?
okay?
That's fine. 30 inside out.
That's fine.
Okay.
I guess cause it's a truck.
Probably.
Yeah. All right. So you want to get out?
Okay. Alright, what was doing that? Done doing that.
Oh.
So that's why they spray the water. They spray water right here where you see the footage.
Oh, okay. So we get out whenever they done with that one and pull the car up, or?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes they get out and then they drive it up themselves.
Oh, what they got over there?
A whole bunch of shit.
You want some?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Hell no. Yeah, guys, I'll come back whenever they start washing the truck. Right now, they're on one right now. Let me just show y'all.
That's their truck.
They're doing a truck right now. Well, that's their truck.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're washing their truck right now, and then they're gonna come.
She said she's gonna believe in the ladies today.
Yep, we're gonna support our female workers. Horrible. Look at my baby. It's like a lot of dirt right there from that trip we took. Oh, ooh, that scared me, honey. Oh, okay, yeah, it's just, ooh, yeah. Do I leave the doors open or? Yeah, guys, they're starting on my truck now. Ooh, Lardy's. So yeah, they're starting on my truck.
So theirs look like.
Oh yeah.
One of the car wash is like a big old circle.
Oh, that's my truck. It looks so different from like this angle.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, right now she's wiping out the inside, and hopefully they can get that dirt out. That's my main concern. Like the outside is dirty, but I know from like the wind and dirt it's gonna get right back dirty. But the inside is what I'm mostly like. It's what I'm mostly worried about, and what I mostly want to be clean. But I do want the outside shiny. Yeah, they getting in there, baby. Yeah, spray all of that, honey. I need all of that done. Red dirt?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's mostly like my main concern because the inside. So
yeah, get our best with the inside, but we focus a lot on your front just because sometimes like it changes the color of the vehicle, like the bugs. Cause my truck's that one right there, and sometimes I take a long time to bring it to my mom, and it changes the front, and I have to repaint it.
Oh, ooh. Okay, let me see. Right. It looks shiny though. It look good. Shoes on to get in here. Uh-oh, not on the door.
That's her truck. That truck wasn't hers.
Huh?
That's her truck. That truck wasn't hers.
Ooh, Lord, it's hot. It's hot.
But yeah, what you said was true. I knew that was gonna happen though with the bugs.
The bugs.
You have to come out after what you call the same time.
Oh. All that I care about. Get out. So now we about to go. I guess we're not getting taco truck.
Oh shit.
Let's go. Oh damn, I let the window down. That's alright, it's whatever. Yeah guys, we're leaving now at the car wash place. They did pretty good though. They did pretty good. How did the door look on this side?
The who?
The door when you opened it. The dirt.
Oh, I didn't even look, to be honest. I mean, nothing didn't really caught my eyes. Nothing didn't really caught my eyes, just this right here.
Oh, okay. They did a pretty good job. They got more cars coming now. Yeah, they got more coming now. Boy, it's hot out here. I don't know how they do that, baby. Whew. Hey y'all, so I am back from the car wash. It's actually a couple hours after the car wash, and right now I'm just about to revamp my one of my wigs. I'm going to revamp this straight wig here, y'all. Y'all see me wear it in a video, a couple videos I did. Y'all, it look rich, honey. That's because I pulled this thing off and threw it to the side. But so I'm going to revamp this. I'm going to actually cut this, y'all, all 24 inches of this. Then I'm gonna cut it like so. This is the part. Then I'm gonna cut it like about here, this much off. So that much off. So the two colors that I have is this intense red color, and then also this what is this, indigo blue. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do the indigo blue. Is at first, just to get a look at it. Okay guys, so this is what I cut off. I kind of like it that short actually, but I think I might need to like kind of like if it's not enough, I'll put the 20. So I have like a medium-sized bottle. Medium-sized bottle. Turning a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that in there for a little bit. All right guys, so this is the color that I got. I put some of that silicone mix on so it can bring back the moisture. I feel like it's gonna be more of a green bluish color. If it is, that's fine too. That's how it's gonna come out. I think it's gonna come out like a blue-green. It kind of did my lace as well, but I can always put makeup on top of that. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end the vlog off right here because I'm very tired. I got a headache and I'm tired. It's not late, I just pulled my wig off and put a bonnet on. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. This is Vlogtober day 21. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.